Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend, Scott. So guys, let's show you guys what we got here. So we have a bike stand. Now this is good for positioning your bike upward or also upright, which I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and show you guys what's inside the box. Alright guys, welcome. So what's inside the box is a couple pieces here, and they give you all the bolts. Looks like everything needed, even the tool. So, and they give you the instruction manual to show you guys how you mount it in different ways. So we're gonna go and check this out. Make sure when you get this, you check out your manual so you do it right. You get a stretchy, we call them flex stays, depends on what you call them, straps. And yeah, it's just 4 pieces. It's very simple setup to do. So let's go ahead and just set it up. And excuse me guys, I said 4, but it's actually 5 pieces. This guy was hiding from me. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece here. It's gonna be rounded right here. You're gonna take this piece right here, which is your double red end. You're gonna place this right down in here, and we're gonna put the bolts right down inside. Alright guys, once you get the bolts threaded in just a little bit, then what I recommend doing is turning it upside down and then tightening all the bolts right in there. Make sure you use their tool to make everything nice and tight. Alright guys, then you're gonna take this next piece. As you guys see, it's got a little kickstand. You're gonna slide that inside, and then you're gonna put the bolts right through, just like you did before. So guys, while we are on our way here getting this installed, I do want to point out that they made everything pretty simple so far. So I am impressed by the quality and how simple it is to set up. Some of these can be a pain. Sometimes they put the bolts in the wrong positions where it's hard to access the bolts, but everything here has been nice and simple. You know, we've been able to do this right on our desk. So good job to the manufacturers so far. Alright guys, the next piece is going to be this bar. So you have it bent out like this, and you put one bolt through like this, and you want to have the 3 holes facing the bottom. So have that facing down, and you take a bolt that has a washer on it, thread out that washer, and go ahead my friend and place this on. So we're going to line this up right here, slide the bolt inside. So we might have to move this out of the way here. Table's getting a little clustered, but we're threading it in, and yeah, it's going in. So we just got to thread it inside here, get it in, and we will be good to go guys. Alright guys, once you got your bolt through there, you take the washer and just go ahead and thread that on. Thread that on there the whole way. They do supply you other tools, and they actually give you washers that you guys can use. I personally don't normally use them. Now, if you follow the directions exactly, then you do want to use them. Alright, so now what I do here to tighten the one bolt, I use the tool they give, and I place it down on here, and I take this other tool that they give, and I just simply twist and turn while I'm holding the one. A little tough to do this on camera, but in person it's a lot easier when you don't have a camera that you're trying to show. And you just tighten it until you're got it super tight, and then you pull everything off, and that's how you tighten their bolts. We're gonna go ahead and finish the setup. So guys, tighten the 2 bolts down on the bottom with the 2 holes. For us, it looks like the metal was bent just a little bit. Let's see if we can get that washer on there. If we can get it to thread on a little bit, then we can tighten it, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be a little tough. Doesn't look like it's sticking out enough for us to get the washer on there. So what I'm gonna have to do is just bend this a little bit, give it a little more room, but that's not a big deal. So far, everything has been working flawlessly. The manual is extremely easy. And guys, for the final piece, this goes at the very top of your curved bar. So go ahead and put that at the very top. All right, guys, no more having our bike lay all over the place and having to be pushed around. Now we got this stand. So let's go ahead and show you guys how it works. All right, guys, so as you can see, our bike is now mounted up on here and it's nice and held in place. So now we just got to make room down here for the whole setup, and then it's just simple, easy access. We just pull our bike off right when we want it, or you just bend your bike over if you have the room, and you're good to go. So overall, very nice bike rack, very nice system. Absolutely love the setup. Works great, my friends.